Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to add audio to Capcut. Let's get started. After you import your video to Capcut, then if you want to add audio to your video, you can click on this add audio option right here. And you have to click sounds and choose the audio that you want to add to your Capcut. You can choose the audio that has been available on Capcut by clicking on this button. And then search the audio that you like, and you can also add audio from your device by clicking on this button, and you have to click on from device and choose the audio from your device that you would like to add to your video. And after you choose it, you can click on this plus button. And alright, now the audio has been added to your Capcut video. And that's how we can add audio to Capcut. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you.